Are you oil pulling every day? If not, make sure you make it a part of your daily regimen. But I'm going to talk about Total Smile Makeover Kit. $100+ value for a fraction of a cost. That is what this is. So, apart from oil pulling, you also have teeth whitening strips that have dry strip technology. This has got hydrogen peroxide that will whiten your teeth, which is the exact same ingredient that dentists use in their dental chair treatment. By the way, this also has a mouthwash which has half side of hydrogen peroxide, diluted of course, and the other side has baking soda, xylitol, and essential oils. When the two mix together, the bubbles get formed and they take off the stains of your teeth. So this is a great maintenance product. So your smile remains intact all the time. And for those of you who forget to oil pull when they travel or go out for business trips, I am actually throwing in this 7 sachet kit for free. Apart from that, I'm also throwing in 6 of these butter on gums toothbrushes for you to gift it to your family members. Because these are so good, they'll all be ending up buying the Total Smile Makeover Kit. So get this from my link below and come and thank me later.